everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1968 Chevelle. This is a true 138 super sport car. Very nice, man. Like 480 miles on a complete body-up restoration. It has a pounded 396 underneath the hood with a 5-speed manual transmission. And again, this is a real 138 super sport car. Factory Matador red, factory red interior. Just a nice car. Fun car to bang the gears on. It's got a set of aluminum heads, nasty little cam in it. Just a cool car. 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust. You can see it's got, I think those are 10-inch wide, 15-inch chrome Americans Racing torque thrust wheels. Good looking car. Nice paint, nice interior, very nicely done. Chrome and stainless is nice. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. Little stone pecking stripe there. Looks like where they actually put a line in the stripe. It's got 3 of the 4 original T3 headlights in it. One of the things we had to do was order a turn signal switch for it. Somebody broke the hazard switch. They pushed it in, and when they pulled it out, they broke it. So instead of, just kind of rigging it in there, I ordered a whole new turn signal switch for it. Dash is nice. Good looking car. Glass is nice. Some sunshine there for a minute. They put 427 badging all around it. It's a factory SS 396 car, guys. Got that wide rubber in the back. Good looking car, man. Nice and flat down the sides. Factory drum brakes in 68. That's the way these cars came. Again, pounding 396 guy. It's actually a 70 date coated 396. Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads, power steering, power brakes. Does have headers, HEI distributor. Again, it's a 5-speed manual trans. Can nitpick your A-pillar chrome there a little bit. Dual chrome mirrors. New door rubbers. Interior's gorgeous. Can nitpick some of your little trims coming off there. New carpet, new sill plates. It's missing the little rubber caps. It also has one of the buttons missing. There's a new button in the center console. Buckets console. It's got the Hurst shifter. Sports steering wheel. We just have the button set on there because we got to pull it back off. 473 miles on it. It's got some aftermarket gauges, stock AM radio. We got to pull that button right back off to pull the steering wheel off to get to that turn signal switch. 3-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end with the rear sway bar. There's a little water there, guys. Nice car though, real nice car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Car's nice and clean underneath. Now, see if I can order these little door caps. They're usually available. Seats are nice. I've got the correct 5-speed ball on order already. Little crack in your center console there. Again, you kind of pick both sides of that A-pillar chrome. Here, the door buzzer works. This car rocks, man. Gauges are all functional. Good oil pressure. Parking brake, Jordan. It works. Don't think the turn signals are going to... Oh, they are working. Okay. Well, they work it, but that little, what do you call it there? The hazard switch broke, so I've ordered a new one. Blower motor work. Sounds like it. Again, gauges are working. Anything on the radio? No. No on the radio. Wipers are working. No? We'll have to check those. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.